Hi guys! Welcome to the Tomato Thing with Casey Cruz, where I recycle stuff and give them second chances. Today's project, I will show you how to make a mini hanging planter using plastic bottle. I've used plastic bottle before and turned it into a cord holder, but this time I will do something different. Let's get started. For this project, you will need first, using our tape measure, we will measure the height of our plant pot. So this time we'll give it to 7 centimeter. So we get our plastic bottle. From the bottom, we measure it 7 centimeter. And then our Sharpie pen, we use it to mark it. Okay, then let's go around. Then we will wrap this around. Thank you there. Okay, and then let's make a line. So now we have the line. Using our cutter, we will cut it straight. So next, we will put this tape measure around and we'll measure it. Since the measurement is 24, so 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we will mark it by 6. So we have 6, 12, 18, and 24. Okay, so those marks, we will use our puncher to make holes on those marks. So now we have the holes. Next, put this aside. Using our twine, we will measure it by 1 meter. So we will use 100 centimeter. So we go 50, and then let's just fold it. Then we have this. Cut this. So you have 50 and another 150, so you have 100 centimeter, which is 1 meter. We'll make 4 of this. So I'll just use this to measure. So now we have 4 strings. Then we fold this. We fold this into half. Yep. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will align it together because we will measure it later. Using 1 string, we will insert it here, this hole, and then on that loop we get the string and impact it like this. So we'll do the same on the other hole. Now that we put the twine on the holes, we will measure each of it so we know which part we will tie it. So using our tape measure again, let's start with first string. Let's measure it into 8. Okay, so we use our Sharpie, so we just mark, just make a tiny mark, and then do the same thing in all the strings. 8. Okay, so now this time you have 2 strings in each, right? So we will partner one string with another, the other side. Okay, like this. Then do the same thing on the other side, like this, and so on. So let's begin with the first one. You look for the mark that you made. So for me, this one and this. So in this area, I will just make and tie it like this, simple knot, and I'll make sure that it ends on the mark where I made. Okay, there. Then do the same thing on the other side. So now we have this. Okay, now this time in both strings that we joined, we will make a square knot. So and then over and then under. So we'll do this 5 times. Side. So now we are done with all 4. Look like this. Now this time we will do another knot, which is using this 4 string. So we will have this 4 together, and then the other side will be together like this. Okay. So using this 4 string, we will only wrap this 2 string on the side, and this will be on the middle. So this right string over, left string under, and then get it from that loop and tie it. So it look like this. Okay, then over, right string under, then get it from the loop, and there. So you just do that one, alternate, over, under, then up, then on the left side, over, right side, under. So just do it alternate. And then we locked one tie here, and then we cut the excess. Now do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and for the last part, simple, just tie the end. And then you're done. Now we have our mini hanging planter. All you need is your plant. So I got my plant here. Just put it this way, and there you have it. So cute. So if you want to decorate or add some twist, your planter, you can use your twine again, and you can wrap it around the plastic bottle, or you can spray paint it with your desired color. So there you have it. If you like this project, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you want to know how will I turn this into something new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you will get updated of my new projects. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. See you next week. Bye-bye.